590 Grosvenor allows people with special needs a safe, clean, affordable place to live.
Alistati has been in existence since '73. We support people with developmental disabilities throughout London and the Greater London area. We're always looking for small apartment buildings to see if we could make it work.
590 Grosvenor was a historical building. It was a church from the 1880s. It had been rezoned already for high-end condos, and the developers decided they wanted to move on to something else. And we acquired it for this affordable housing initiative.
The City of London came through for us and subsidized what we needed here, and it worked out to be a terrific project.
CMHC has been a supporter through all three of our projects, and in this particular project, we applied under their seed funding program.
Grosvenor has 12 units in the building. 3 of them are 2-bedroom accessible units. There's another 2-bedroom, just regular unit. There's a couple other accessible single units, and the rest are singles. Certainly the wider doors, the specific areas in the bathrooms that have to be bigger for wheelchair access, the tracking in the ceilings if needed, more wide open space basically. People who live there, it's their place, and everybody has their own specific support needs, and that's the way our organization operates. The people who live here pay rent directly. It's just like a typical landlord relationship.
We have agreed that the individual tenants will not pay greater than $464 a month. In order to keep our costs under control, we ensure that we go above and beyond existing code. On this building, we could have done an R13 in the walls. We actually did R27. The solar allows us to actually generate power back into the grid, and therefore affording us additional dollars to offset some of the utility costs of the building.
I like living on my own. I like living in this house. Can hang out with a lot of different people that are sort of like you with disabilities and make good friends.
If builders have an idea of something that they're interested in that may help out the community, you can't go wrong with affordable housing.